Hi guys, I love a popular Brazilian dessert called banana frita, fried banana. So I thought I would share the recipe with you today. It's different, quick, easy, and a great way to use the overripe bananas. I'm going to start by peeling 4 medium-sized bananas. And remove these little strings right here. They actually have a name, did you know? It's phloem bundles. I hope I'm pronouncing it right. They're all peeled and I'm just gonna leave them on the plate for now. I preheated my large frying pan on medium-high heat and I just turned down to medium. And I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of butter, 1 for each banana. And let it melt. If you want to use less butter, it's fine too. While the butter is melting, give it a good swish. And cut the banana in half like this, lengthwise. And arrange it on your frying pan. And let them fry real good on that side, on medium-high heat. Probably for about a minute or so. You can always look underneath to see if it's brown enough, but I'm gonna let it fry for about a minute. They smell so good already. Let's see if it's brown enough on the bottom. Looks like it is, so I'm going to flip them over. I'm gonna lower the heat a little bit and flip it. Okay, so I flipped them the best I could. Try not to break them, but when they're soft like that, they're going to break. They're just tastier when they're overripe a little bit because they're sweeter. While the other side fries, I'm going to add a little shredded mozzarella cheese to the top. A little savory. In Brazil, we eat a lot of cheese with sweet things. And this is no different. So good, everyone, with cheese. Of course, you can play with your cheese. You can use cheddar, Monterey Jack, American cheese is good too. If you want to add cream cheese to it, wait for it to come out of the frying pan to add the cream cheese. I'm going to cover the pan to let the cheese melt faster. Okay, it's ready. I'm going to remove it from the heat. In a small glass bowl, I'm going to mix some sugar and some cinnamon. Also up to you, the amount of cinnamon. And mix it up. Looks like I'm gonna need more, so I'll add a little more to it. I like a lot of sugar and cinnamon with mine. A little more cinnamon. Mix it. On the plate I had before, I'll put a little cinnamon and sugar and lay the bananas on it. It's delicious, everybody. They're caramelized, so good. This broke off a little bit. I'm going to put them right here. But they're still very good. A little more. I know it's a little messy, but that's what makes it, in my opinion. A little more. If you want to make with bananas that are not so ripe, go ahead. It's just as good. There's a little crust. This crust is amazing. A little bit of the melted butter on top. A little more of the remaining cinnamon and sugar on top. And I'll tell you what, the longer you let it sit in the hot butter, the cinnamon and sugar, the better. Because it's going to form a glaze all around. It's going to be delicious. This is the whole plate. I'm going to make, I know it doesn't look that great, but it tastes awesome. I'm going to make a small plate with those 3 pretty bananas right there. The ones that didn't fall apart. If you can add vanilla ice cream to apple pie, why not hot fried bananas? Can't wait to try it. Let's see. Whoa. A little ice cream on it, huh? Wow. This is so darn good. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done it already. And I have links to a lot of the products that I use today and products that I like to use in my everyday life. Now, there's something I need to say about this dessert. It's highly addicting. It's that good. Once you try it, you're not going to stop making it. And with the addition of the ice cream scoop, it took it to a whole new level. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Really good.